Most men don't fail with women because they're weak. They fail because they're reactive. Female psychology isn't a puzzle to be solved. It's a language to be understood. Today you'll learn that language through a Stoic lens. Calm over chaos, logic over impulse, respect over control. Let's build discipline where it matters most, your mind. This video is educational, not therapy or medical advice. We discuss patterns, not every person. Use judgment, stay respectful, and act with integrity. Number 1. What female psychology is and isn't. Female psychology is not a trick book. It's not manipulation tactics or copy-paste lines. It's the study of how many women tend to think, feel, choose, and respond, especially in dating and relationships. Stoically speaking, your job isn't to control her behavior. Your job is to control your interpretation and response. 3 ground rules. Number 1. Individual generalization. Patterns are useful, labels are lazy. Number 2. Respect is non-negotiable. Attraction without respect becomes drama. Number 3. Self-control is step 1. If you can't command yourself, don't try to lead a relationship. Key idea. Women often feel first, then reason. Men often reason first, then feel. Both are human. Both are valid. Your edge comes from understanding the rhythm and staying centered. Number 2. Attention versus attraction. Attention is easy. Attraction is earned. Attention is views, likes, texts. Attraction is respect, desire, and sustained interest. Many men confuse the two. They chase attention, then feel confused when it doesn't convert. Number 1. Signals of attention. Random likes or replies. Friendly banter, no escalation. Inconsistent texting when bored. Number 2. Signals of attraction. She invests time. She mirrors your energy. She follows your lead on plans. She cares about your opinion. Stoic move. Stop chasing attention. Build a life that naturally creates attraction, purpose, boundaries, consistency. Attention fades. Character compounds. Number 3. Tests, boundaries, and calibration. Yes, tests happen, not to humiliate you but to calibrate you. A test asks, are you who you say you are? Are you steady when pressure rises? Common forms of testing: light teasing, small delays or last-minute changes. Emotional spikes to see if you stay grounded. Boundary nudges: can you drop everything for me? Stoic responses. A. The 5-second rule. Pause, breathe. Let the first emotion pass. Respond with clarity, not heat. B. The frame line I like X, I don't do Y, if that works perfect. Short, calm, non-negotiable. C. The respect check. One time is human. A pattern is a choice. You don't punish. You decide. Boundaries aren't lectures, they're filters. Remember, a relationship without boundaries becomes performance. A relationship with boundaries becomes trust. Number 4. Communication patterns. You'll see. Context over content. She says, it's fine. The context says, it isn't. Learn to hear the tone, timing, and tension, not just the words. Ask one calm follow-up. Do you feel unheard, or is something else going on? Then listen. Don't debate feelings. Clarify the need. 2. Safety before logic. If she doesn't feel emotionally safe, logic won't land. Safety, respectful tone, patient timing, predictable presence. Win the room before you win the point. 3. Specifics beat assumptions. Avoid you always. You never say, when X happened I felt Y. Next time can we do Z? Clear, calm, actionable. 4. The repair skill. Disagreements aren't the problem. Disconnection is. Own your part quickly. You're right, I got defensive. Let's reset. Repair fast. Pride is expensive. Connection pays. Number 5. Emotional rhythm and space. Emotions have rhythm. Some days she's expressive, warm, playful. Other days she wants quiet, solitude, or reassurance. Don't take every shift personally. You can be steady without being distant. What steadiness looks like. You don't chase highs. You don't fear lows. You respect her need for space without withdrawing love. You keep your mission routine and standards intact. If the rhythm becomes chronic chaos, you address it. I care about you, but I won't live in constant drama. We need healthier patterns or we step back. Calm tone, clear line, no threat, just truth. Number 6, respect, desire, and leadership. Contrary to what you hear online, most women don't want a dictator. They want a leader, a man who knows his direction and invites her into it. Leadership means you plan dates and logistics. You make decisions but ask for input where it matters. You're firm on values, flexible on preferences. You protect the standard honesty, effort, and kindness. Desire follows certainty, not loud certainty, silent certainty. You don't over-explain your worth. You demonstrate it daily, quietly, consistently. Respect is built when your words match your actions. It's lost when you negotiate your values to avoid conflict. Stay kind, stay clear, stay unavailable to chaos. Number 7, the Stoic Toolkit. Practices that actually work. These are plug and play, use them today. The dichotomy of control. Ask in real time, is this in my control or not? Her mood, not. My tone, yes. The past, not. My standard, yes. Focus only on controllables, energy returns. Clarity sharpens. Editor cue, on-screen text. Control your inputs. Release the outcome. 2, the 5-minute journal, nightly. 3 prompts. What triggered me today? How did I respond? How will I respond next time? Reps build mastery, emotion obeys repetition. Negative visualization, weekly. Close your eyes. Imagine losing comfort, money, status, relationship. Not to scare yourself, but to prepare your mind. Gratitude deepens, clinging weakens, presence grows. 4, view from above. Perspective, reset. Zoom out. Your current conflict is a dot on the map of your life. From 10,000 feet, what matters? Usually, character, health, purpose, and peace. Argue less, align more. 5, voluntary discomfort, discipline. Reps. Cold shower, early wake up, work out alone, no phone mornings. You train your nervous system to stay calm under stress. A man who can sit with discomfort can sit with her emotions. The boundary script, keep it printed or saved. I like you and I want this to work. I don't operate well with insulting language, last-minute cancellations, silent treatment. If it continues, I'll step back. If we fix it, we grow short. Respectful, firm, no drama. 7, the 3-message rule, texting. If she goes cold, message once, follow up once, days later, then stop. You're available, not desperate. Attraction grows in breathing room. 8, the leadership date. You propose time, location, vibe. Options are fine, indecision isn't. Lead with I'm free, Saturday 7 p.m. New place on 5th, cozy, quiet. If that works, I'll book it. Simple, masculine, considerate. 9, the repair ritual, after conflict. Acknowledge your part, reaffirm the goal. Propose a forward SE. Number 8, red flags and green flags. Green flags, she respects your time. She speaks well of you in public. She shows effort without being asked. She owns mistakes. She wants solutions, not endless fights. She's kind to people who can't benefit her. Red flags, constant chaos, constant crisis, disrespect disguised as jokes, jealousy you always have to manage, no accountability ever, weaponized silence or sex, values that contradict yours, honesty, loyalty, growth. You're not a judge, you're a curator. You don't punish people. You pick environments, you don't fix adults, you fix your standards. Number 9, what to stop doing. Stop arguing with feelings. Validate first, discuss later. Stop oversharing to seek comfort. Self-soothe, then speak. Stop breaking your routine to manage every mood. Presence, not pedestal. Stop love bombing to save dying interest. Engage, don't perform. Stop trying to win every point, win the connection. Number 10, what to start doing. Start leading with plans, not paragraphs. Start protecting your sleep training and work blocks. Start journaling the patterns you miss in real time. Start listening to what she does, not only what she says. Start setting timelines. Let's revisit this in 30 days. Start choosing women who choose you. Remember, selection beats seduction. A well-chosen partner makes discipline easier. A poorly chosen partner turns your life into management. Number 11. Female psychology. In one page. If you need the summary, here it is. Women tend to value emotional presence, consistency, and leadership. They test to confirm safety and strength, not to destroy you. They respond to certainty and respect, not noise and pressure. They remember how you make them feel more than what you say. If you provide peace, purpose, and protection of standards, attraction is likely. If you provide chaos, neediness, and arguments, attraction withers. Your mission stays first, not to neglect her, but to serve both of you. A man on his path is more desirable than a man orbiting approval. Number 12. The Stoic closing. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Choose not to be harmed, and you won't feel harmed." In relationships, choose not to be reactive, and you won't be dragged. Choose to be steady, and you'll be trusted. Choose to be honest, and you'll be respected. Choose to be disciplined, and you'll be desired. Female psychology isn't the enemy your untrained mind is. Train it, and you'll understand women better than the loudest. Gurus ever will, not by tricks, by character. If this helped build the habit, subscribe, save, and rewatch. Use the toolkit this week, and remember the rule: less reaction, more direction. Stoic Mind Factory. Calm logic control.